Messengers. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you for joining us. We are glad that you're here. I'm Steve.
And I'm Scott.
And together we're Backyard Musings, the Science and Technology channel.
And we are talking about a health issue, and this will affect, even though it only really affects one of the genders, this really affects both genders. So
what if you identify as a furry? Does it affect you?
Yeah, we're not going there. I'm talking about the regular folks out there. And I'm not trying to offend anybody. Not trying to offend anybody, but yeah, this is let's just get into it. So
okay, folks, remember, we are the messengers. We don't do the research. We're the messengers, okay?
Right.
Menopause reshapes the brain in surprising ways, but it may also reveal the brain's remarkable ability to adapt. During menopause, many women notice episodes of brain fog, which can include forgetfulness, difficulty focusing, and persistent mental tiredness. These challenges are often linked to shifting hormone levels. To better understand what is happening in the brain during this life stage, researchers reviewed previously published studies examining how structural brain changes relate to cognitive, emotional, and physical health outcomes. Their findings were presented at the 2025 annual meeting of the Menopause Society. Would you like to know more?
Just throwing this out there. And again, I'm not trying to get in trouble or offend anybody, but my mother went through menopause for probably from the time I was 13 until the time I was about 30. So just saying. Scientific evidence shows that menopause is tied to measurable alterations in brain structure. Several studies report decreases in gray matter volume in the frontal and temporal cortices, as well as the hippocampus regions that play central roles in memory and higher level thinking skills. These reductions in brain volume have been associated with declines in cognitive abilities, particularly verbal memory and visuospatial memory.
I don't know what visuospatial is.
I don't either, but that would explain a lot. That would explain a lot about people, women especially, that go through cognitive decline, right? For no reason. I mean, they lived a healthy life, and this is just this is one of those ordeals that you got to deal with. So anyway.
I'm staying neutral on this one. Okay. Research has also identified an increase in white matter hyperintensities, especially in women who experience early menopause or frequent hot flashes. White matter hyperintensities appear as bright areas on the MRI scans of the brain's white matter and typically signal tissue damage caused by reduced blood flow. These abnormalities are linked to symptoms such as cognitive decline, balance difficulties, and mood changes. They're also associated with a greater risk of stroke and dementia.
Okay, this is
not good. Not good.
Not good, but telling. Some studies suggest that gray matter volume may partially rebound after menopause, which could reflect the brain's ability to adapt through neuroplasticity. Researchers have also observed higher estrogen receptor density during the menopause transition. This increase may be the brain's way of responding to declining hormone levels, although it has also been connected to poor memory performance. Alterations in cerebrovascular reactivity and changes in brain energy metabolism further highlight how menopause can affect neural health and resilience. So, yeah.
At the BRAVE lab, that's an acronym, BRAVE, the BRAVE lab within the School of Behavioral and Brain Sciences at Ponce Health Sciences University, Puerto Rico, PhD and psychology students Angelica Rodriguez and Andrea Pereira conducted a comprehensive bibliographical review under the supervision of Dr. Barbara Barros and Dr. Carla Martinez. Their analysis focused on scientific studies exploring structural brain changes linked to menopause and how these changes may help explain common symptoms. Expanded findings will be shared in the 2025 annual meeting of the Menopause Society in a poster presentation titled Menopause and Brain Structural Changes, a Bibliographic Revision. Rodriguez, the first author, will present the poster at the conference.
All right. Quote, this type of work highlights the need to continue exploring the relationship between the brain and menopause, particularly their connection with the cognitive, emotional, and behavioral symptoms women experience during this stage. That's according to Angelica Rodriguez, PhD student in psychology at Ponce Health Sciences University in Puerto Rico.
Quote, this study represents the cumulative body of scientific knowledge relative to structural changes that take place in the brain during menopause, says Dr. Stephanie Falbion, medical director for the Menopause Society. Continuing her quote, these data will hopefully lead to a better understanding of the factors underlying some of the cognitive concerns experienced by women during the menopause transition so that we can ultimately identify effective therapies. We are just the messengers, folks. We didn't do the research.
Yeah, this is not our topic, but it's a good one. I mean, obviously, most people
deserves to be looked at.
Yeah, and most people are going to either live with it or live through it. So, either way. But
well, hopefully they can find some treatments. Like they're now trying to look at treatments.
Yeah. I will have to say that in my camp, this part of my life is going very, very well. So, just saying. Yeah.
Very good.
Yep. Okay.
All right, folks. Thanks for joining us. We'll catch you Tuesday morning.
Yep. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.
Yep.
All right. Be right back.